Kitchen Renegade's Garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how get these brackets swapped out on my corbeu seats, put the new brackets on, and we'll get it installed and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so on my old seat, I took the old brackets off, but I still have the old sliders I gotta take off. Okay, grab the right one now. Is a, I can't tell that says 4 or 6, but I'm assuming that's a 6mm. Then stick it in, break them loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and break these loose real quick. Okay, so old brackets off. Next thing, take a new bracket, line it up with the holes actually in the bottom, excuse me, bottom of the seat, like right there. Stick it in, or stick the Allens out you just removed, and basically reverse process. Or if you just bought the seats new, this is how you start with it. So let me get these bolts in and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, so on your old seats, there will be one screw or one bolt right here, then same on the other side on the passenger seat, and then one for the seatbelt on the driver. And they are your screws or bolts for your seatbelt clicker on one side, and then your seatbelt buckle or your actual seatbelt on the other. So let me go ahead and get this brought out to the Jeep. Okay. Then your Jeep, you're gonna have 4 bolts that are your go here, here, there, and then there. And from your passenger seat, mine's 07, so mine differs because I have these weight sensors. But you're gonna need to grab this harness. This has your seat position sensor and your seatbelt sensor. As soon as you remove your old seat, you will have the airbag light on, just so you know. But you won't like to rob this harness, so you can have your seatbelt buckle light and stuff that'll go out. Can I help you? That is not your seat. What do you think, Oak? She's stealing your seat. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera up on time lapse. I'm gonna stick the music. Not entirely sure how much of that struggle I'm going to leave in there, but I do not like these brackets. The driver's side was not aligned correctly, and this one was not aligned correctly. As you've seen, this bolt was not even close to being lined up. I had to take a spike to try to get it lined up, loosen all the other ones, pretty much all the way up. Oh, it was just a mess. And then, after I got the seat finally in, I went to move it back, and the stupid adjuster popped out of its hookups, so I couldn't get the slide back, and I had pulled out, and I went to put it back in. When I went to get put back in, don't even see that. gouge the heck out of my fingernail because, of course, because why not at this point, right? So, but at least they're in. They look pretty good for 50 bucks for the seats. I love the seats for the 50 bucks. They're pretty comfortable, especially for being used. If you have the availability of making your own brackets or converting your stock ones to work, and you feel comfortable with that, I would almost suggest that, because these brackets, I paid 300 bucks for the pair of them. I don't think that was worth it at all. Because like I said, both of them were not lined up worth of crap. I ended up hurting my finger in the process. Yeah, so that was not worth it. But I'm gonna be getting a harness bar here soon, so I can get a 3-point harness installed. But yeah, there you go. I think they look pretty good. So that was just a quick update video just to kind of show you guys getting the new seats installed and what it takes to get those brackets installed. Not a very intuitive video, but I just want to get them in. It's trying to rain, and that's basically it. And if you care to know, FedEx lost the passenger side bracket, the one we did today. That's why the driver's side is already in. I didn't film it because that one came, the other one wasn't here. So I'm like, well, no point in filming the first one. I can figure out how they go in. So that's why I went ahead and filmed just this one. So, until next time, guys, make sure to stay humble, work on your projects, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.